Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will cover Cogitate's insurance technology ecosystem, covering how modern digital insurance platform leverage AI automation and agentic intelligence to transfer underwriting claims, billing, fraud detection, and customer experience. This video is ideal for insurance technology interviews, tech developers, and analysts. AI and Gen AI roles in insurance, students preparing for campus placement. So let's go with the first specialty of the Cogitate's insurance technology. If you want the PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number given in the video. Okay, so let's get started with the first specialty of Cogitate's digital insurance platform. What is the primary goal of our digital insurance platform? Answer is end-to-end insurance lifecycle automation. Which module is not typically part of a digital insurance platform? Social media marketing. APIs in digital insurance platform are mainly used for system integrations. Which architecture is most commonly used? Microservices. Which cloud model is preferred for scalability? Serverless. Policy insurance speed improves mainly due to automation and rules engine. Which data format is most common for policy APIs? JSON. A rules engine is used to apply underwriting logic. What ensures regulatory compliance? Audit trails. Which role benefits most from dashboards? Underwriter. Digital insurance reduces operational cost. Which database type is commonly used? Relational and NoSQL. What supports high availability, load balancing? Which KPI is most important? Policy assurance time. What is straight-through processing? Automated policy assurance without human touch, and the coding snippets. Next one is insurance distribution management. Insurance distribution mainly involves selling policies via agents and brokers. Which entity sells policies on behalf of insurers? Broker. Commission calculation is part of distribution management. Which channel is not a distribution channel? Data. What ensures agent compliance? Licensing validation. What is the key metric? Agent conversion rate. CRM integration helps in lead management. Which document is critical for agents? Policy quote. What is MGA? Managing General Agent. Which system tracks agent performance? Distribution management system. What enable faster onboarding? Digital onboarding workflows. Which term improves reach? Mobile apps. Agent portal are used for quote and policy issuance. Which is critical for commissions? Accurate policy data. Distribution systems reduce manual errors in the coding snippet. Digital engagement platforms. A digital engagement platform mainly focuses on customer interaction across channels. Which channel is not part of digital engagement? Data warehouse. Omni-channel engagement means seamless experience across channels. Chatbots are mainly used for customer support and FAQs. Which KPI measure engagement success? Customer retention. Personalization depends heavily on customer data and analytics. Which tech enables real-time engagement, event-driven architecture? Push notifications are commonly used for policy reminders and renewables. Digital engagement improves customer satisfaction. Which platform is often integrated? CRM. UX UI is critical because customers abandon poor experiences. AI-based recommendations helps in cross-sell and upsell. Which data is most valuable? Customer behavior data. Engagement platform reduce response time. Sentiment analysis is used to understand customer emotions and the coding snippets. Next one is claims monitoring. Claims monitoring focuses on tracking claim life cycle. Which stage comes first? FNOL. FNOL stands for First Notice of Loss. Real-time claim tracking improves transparency. Which role uses claims dashboard most? Adjusters. What trigger claim alerts? SLA breach. Claims monitoring reduces claim leakage. Which tech enable monitoring? Workflow engine. Is claim leakage? Overpayment or missed recoveries? Which claim is most complex? Liability claim. Which KPI matter most? Average handling time. Fraud indicators are monitored to detect suspicious behavior. Claims monitoring system integrate with GPS and repair shop. Automation in claims leads to faster settlements. Audit trails helps in regulatory compliance and the coding snippets. Next one is claims litigation management. Claims litigation management deals with legal disputes related to claims. Litigation usually starts when claim is denied or disputed. Which role is most involved? Legal counsel. What is the key objective? Minimize legal cost. Which document is critical? Policy wording. What helps track court deadlines? Workflow engine. Litigation management improves compliance and documentation. What is subrogation? Recovery from third party. Which KPI is most important? Legal cycle time. Document management is used to store legal evidence. Litigation workflows are usually event-driven. Which risk increases without automation? Missed deadlines. Legal holds ensure evidence preservation. Which integration is common? Court systems. AI in litigation helps with document classification and the coding snippets. Next one is Digital Insurance and Digital Edge Insurance Platform. Digital Edge Insurance Platform is primarily used for end-to-end insurance operations. What differentiates Digital Edge? Modular and configurable design. Which module is core? Policy management. Low-code configuration enables faster product launches. Who benefit most? Business users and IT. Digital Edge supports which line of business? P&C, specialty, commercial. Product configurators are used to create insurance products. Which feature improve time to market? Pre-built templates. Rating engines calculate policy premiums. Digital Edge is best described as core insurance platform with integration is critical. Payment gateways. Scalability is achieved via cloud-native architecture. What improves underwriting efficiency? Automated workbench. Digital Edge supports compliance by built-in audit and controls, which users interact daily. Underwriters and agents in the coding snippets. Next one is cyber liability insurance. Cyber liability insurance mainly covers damages and cyber attacks, which event trigger cyber liability coverage. Malware attack. First-party cyber coverage includes data recovery and business interruptions. Third-party cyber coverage includes regulatory fines and lawsuits. Which regulation is most relevant? All of the above. Cyber underwriting depends heavily on security posture and controls. What increases cyber risk? Outdated software. Which industry has highest exposure? Healthcare. What is ransomware? Malware demanding payments. Cyber claims are often complex and high cost. Incident response services include forensics and breach response. Which data is critical for claims? Breach timeline. Cyber policies often have sub-limits. AI helps cyber insurance by risk scoring and anomaly detection. Cyber insurance platform must integrate with security tools and the coding snippets. Next one is commercial auto insurance. Commercial auto insurance covers business-owned vehicles. Which vehicle is covered? Delivery truck. Key underwriting factor is driver history. Telematics data is used to assess driving behavior. Which coverage is mandatory? Liability. Commercial auto claims are often multi-party. What increases premium? High mileage. Fleet policies cover multiple vehicles. FNOL for auto can be triggered by all of the above, which are crucial during claims. GPS location. Commercial auto fraud often involves fake accidents. Repair shop integration helps in faster settlement. Loss runs are used for risk assessment. Which KPI matters most? Claim cycle time. Commercial auto platform integrated with GPS and telematics and the coding snippets. Next one is personal auto insurance. Personal auto insurance primarily covers individual vehicle owners, which coverage is legally required in most states. Liabilities. Collision coverage pays for damage to insured vehicle in accidents. Comprehensive coverage includes theft, fire, vandalism. What affects a personal auto premium most? Driving usage-based insurance uses telematics data. Safe driver get discounts, which factor lowers risk. Defensive driving course. What trigger FNOL? Accident report, which claim is faster to settle. Glass only damage. Fraud in personal auto often includes staged accidents. Which KPI is important? Claim frequency. Personal auto platform integrated with DMV databases, which feature improves retention, renewable reminders. AI in personal auto helps with risk scoring and fraud detection and the coding snippets. Next one is general liability insurance. General liability covers third-party bodily injury, property damage. Who typically buys GL insurance? Businesses. Which claim is common? Slip and fall. GL does not cover professional errors. What is an occurrence? Accident causing damage. What is a claim-made policy? Covers when claim is reported. Defense costs are usually included. What increase GL risk? Construction work. Underwriting depends on business operations. Policy limits define maximum payout. Certificates of insurance are used for proof of coverage. GL claims often involve litigation. Which industry has higher GL exposure? Retail stores. Loss control helps to reduce risk. GL platform integrated with leak systems and the coding snippets. Next one is software for MGA, Managing General Agent. An MGA primarily acts as intermediary with underwriting authority. MGA software mainly supports policy assurance and underwriting. Which authority is delegated to MGA? Underwriting and binding. MGA platform must support multi-carrier integration. Borderx reports are used for carrier reporting. MGA system manage multiple programs and carriers. Compliance is critical because MGA operates under carrier authority. Which module is essential? Program management. MGA commission handling includes all of the above. What increase MGA efficiency? Automation and workflows. MGA software integrates with carrier core system. Underwriting rules are usually configurable. Which KPI matters? Quote to bind ratio. MGA software reduces manual errors. MGA platforms are commonly cloud native and the coding snippets. Next one is software for insurance carrier software. Insurance carrier software supports end-to-end insurance operations. Core system includes policy billing claims. Next is carrier platform must be highly scalable and secure. Regulatory compliance is driven by state and federal laws. Multi-state support requires configurable rules. Rating engines are responsible for premium calculation, which integration is critical. Reinsurance systems. Straight-through processing enables automated insurance. Next is carrier software and multiple LOBs. Data analytics is used for risk and profitability analysis, which role uses carrier dashboards, actuaries, and executives. Next is modern carrier systems are API for carrier software improves operational efficiency. Policy versioning helps with endorsement and audits. Carrier platforms support omnichannel distribution and the coding snippets. Next one is underwriting workbench and underwriting software. An underwriting workbench is used to evaluate and approve insurance risk. Underwriting decisions are based on all of the above. Straight-through underwriting means automated approval without human touch, which user mainly uses the workbench. Underwriter risk scoring helps to standardize decisions and which data is critical, all of the above. Referral rules trigger when risk exceeds threshold. What improves underwriting speed? Third-party data integration. Which integration is common? Credit bureaus. Underwriting audit trail support. Regulatory compliance. Which KPI matters most? Queued turnaround time. Configurable rules allow faster product changes. What causes underwriting leakage? Missed risk factors. AI improves underwriting by predict risk modeling. Underwriting workflows are typically integrated with policy systems and the coding snippets. Next one is agency self-service platform. Agency self-service platform allows agents to manage independently. Key feature includes queued and bind. Self-service reduces carrier workloads, which user benefits most. Agent endorsement allow agents to modify coverage midterm. Real-time pricing requires rating engine integration. What improves adoption? Simple UX. Which task is self-service? Certificate of insurance. Role-based access ensures security. Agent portals integrate with policy and billing systems. What speeds up sales? Instant queues. Self-service platform reduces turnaround time. Which KPI matters? Queue to bind. Which white label portals help by serving agency branding? Agency self-service improves agent satisfaction in the coding snippets. Policy management platform. A policy management platform handles policy lifecycle management. A policy lifecycle includes A option: queue, issue, endorse, renew, cancel. Endorsements are used to verify active policies. Which versioning is required? Policy version. Rating engines integrated to calculate premium. Policy rules are typically configurable. Multi-term supports enables renewables. What ensures compliance? Audit trails. Which users interact most? Underwriters and agents. Mid-term cancellation is called lapse. Which document is generated? Declaration page. Policy platforms integrated billing and claims. Policy data must be immutable per version. What improves policy servicing speed? Workflow automation. Policy platform reduce errors and coding snippets. Next one is claims platform. Claim platforms manage claim lifecycle. Claim lifecycle start with FNOL. Which role uses claims system most? Claims adjuster. What improves claim speed? Automation and rules. Which claim is most complex? Liabilities. Fraud detection is integrated to identify suspicious activity. Claims platform integrated with repair shops and vendors. What is claim leakage? Overpayment or missed recovery. Reverse represents an estimated claim payout. Claim notes help with communication and audit. SLA monitoring ensures timely chain claim handling. Litigation mode is used when claim is disputed. Which KPI is critical? Claim cycle time. Claims automation reduces operational cost. Claims platform supports multi-line claims and the coding snippets. Next one is billing solution. Insurance billing platform. Insurance billing solution manage premium invoicing and payments. Billing is triggered after policy insures. Which billing type is common? Installment billing. What is billing cycle? Payment frequency. Down payment refers to initial premium payment. Late payment may result in policy lapse, with integration is critical. Payment gateways. Billing platforms generate invoice and statements. What is reconciliation? Matching payments with invoices. Refunds are usually triggered by overpayments. Billing model supports flexibility. Usage-based billing. Billing platform must handle multiple currencies and taxes. Which KPI is important? Collection rate. Billing automation reduces payment delays. Billing system integrate with policy and accounting in the coding snippets. Next one is fraud detection. Fraud detection aims to identify suspicious activities. Insurance fraud can occur in all of the above. Most common fraud type is claim fraud. Red flags include all of the above. Which technique is widely used? All both B and C. Fraud scoring helps to prioritize investigation. Which data is crucial? Historical claims data. False positives are incorrect fraud flags. Fraud detection should be real-time and batch. Network analysis helps by detecting collusion. Which role handles select cases? SIU. Fraud models need continuous learning. Fraud detection reduces loss ratio. Explainable AI is important to justify fraud decisions. Fraud platform integrate with claims and billing systems and the coding snippets. Next one is AI agentic layer. AI agentic layer is responsible for autonomous decision making. Agentic AI differs from traditional AI by goal-driven behavior. Agent orchestration means coordinating multiple AI agents. Which component enables context retention? Memory module. Agent autonomy depends on decision policies. Agentic AI operates best with feedback loops. Which architecture supports agentic flow? Event-driven. Safety guardrails are required to prevent harmful actions. Agentic layers integrate with claims policy billing. Tools used by agents are APIs and workflows. Which concept enables multi-step reasoning? Prompt chaining. AI agents should be explainable and auditable. Human in the loop is needed for high-risk decisions. Agent AI improves all of the above. Agentic layer scales using distributed executions in the coding snippets. Next one is AI submission agent. AI submission agent automates policy submission in tech. Submission include risk data in documents. AI submission agent reduces underwriting effort. OCR is used to estimate document data. Which data is validated? Exposure limits and coverage. Submission agents integrate with underwriting workbench. Duplicate detection prevents resubmission. Risk scoring helps prioritize submissions. Read-through processing means no human touch. Which improves accuracy? Training data. AI submission agents operate real-time and async. Human review is needed when confidence is low. Submission automation reduces turnaround time. Explainability is required for audits. AI submission agent is all of the above and the coding snippets. Next one is AI inspection agent. AI inspection agent is used for risk and damage inspection. Inspections are required during underwriting and claims. Data sources includes image and videos. Compute vision helps to detect manage damage patterns. AI inspection reduces field visits. Which risk can be assessed? All of the above. Pre-bind inspections occur before policy assurance. Post inspections occur during claim investigation. AI model require labeled datasets. Confidence score indicates liability of inspection result. Confidence trigger human adjuster review. Inspection agents integrate with claims and underwriting. Drone imagery is useful for roof inspections. AI inspections improve all of the above. explainability helps to justify inspection decisions and the coding snippets. Next one is AI IVR FNOL agent. First, notice of loss. FNOL stands for notice of loss. AI IVR FNOL agent handles voice-based claim intake. IVR uses speech-to-text. FNOL data includes data, location, incident, and details. An AI IVR reduces call wait time. Natural language understand enables meaning extraction. FNOL agent operates 24/7. Sentiment analysis helps to detect stress or urgency. FNOL triggers claim creation. IVR agents integrate with claims platform. AI IVR ensures all of the above. Voice biometric helps caller authentication. Low confidence speech recognition triggers human agent transfer. Compliance requires call recording and consent. AI FNOL improves all of the above. And the coding snippets. Next one is AI demand assist agent, claim negotiation assistant. AI demand assist agent supports claims negotiation. Demand letters are used in liability claims. AI demand assist helps with legal document analysis. It analyzes medical bills and damages. AI reduces settlement cycle time. Which technique is used? All of the above. Demand value helps to estimate settlement range. Comparative analysis uses historical claim outcomes. AI demand assist should be static. Explainability is required for legal defensibility. Bias mitigation is critical to ensure fairness. Demand assist integrate with claims litigation systems. AI can recommend settlements strategies. Human approval is required for final settlement. AI demand assist improves all of the above and the coding snippets. Here we complete all the targeted insurance technology specialties. If you want the PDF, you can take from the WhatsApp number given in the video. We have 23 specialties. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video.